Working with the logistics team has been really gratifying. I would say the win there is maybe not a single type of win, but just kind of like continuous wins, where it's bridging what's happening physically in logistics to what's happening digitally on the platform. It's really gratifying to like understand both sides of it.
So what I like about Cofactr's platform and the software is that it's a true solution to a lot of the problems that are out there in managing supply chain and inventory. There's a lot of silos that people have to work in with different platforms, and Cofactr is truly that end-to-end solution that brings everything together, adds that visibility, and enables customers to work more efficiently and faster.
I think it's really great that we offer services like kitting, so people don't have to rely on the distributors to actually like put all of their things to get it pick and place ready or manufacturing ready. And I think that's something that we do really well, and I think that's something that's great that we offer to our customers.
I think one of the most interesting things I've gotten to work on that I was really excited about the outcome is building a solution for providing real-time part data for our customers. We had to go kind of off the rails of how you would normally build a data fetching solution for this, and so I had to get really creative with how I built the solution from the front-end perspective and had to kind of go outside of the box of the tools that I would normally use, and in the end was able to create this thing that just worked and still works, and we're able to get information to our customers much more quickly instead of making them wait on parts of the data that take a lot longer. And so it provides just like a much better experience for the customer, being able to see data immediately and look at what they need to see right away.
I think the most exciting thing that Cofactr does for customers is actively solving a problem that maybe they didn't know they had. What we do is provide a process that de-risks their products early on, and then we're actively solving problems in their supply chain before they would pop up. In manufacturing, there's not a lot of opportunity to kind of fail gracefully, and so just seeing customers succeed is a really, really exciting thing.